Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at this Kwikset 5-pin lock. It is going to be a challenge lock. There's the bitting on the key after I pinned it. I'm not quite done with this lock. I finished on the pins just a little bit ago. Before I send it out, I'm still going to tap it, but I need to get a new tap because the last time I tapped a lock like this, I forgot to oil it and gummed up all the threads on the tap. There's no digging them out. Anywho, let's go ahead and get started on this lock. I'm going to use this hook here. It looks like a reach from Sparrows, but it wasn't. It was a postal hook, and I cut it down and kind of turned it into a thinner reach. I'll start at the back of the keyway. Got to click off a 5. Got to click off a 4. A little counter rotation and a click off a 3. A little click off a 2 and a tiny false set. Click off a 1. Another click off a 5. Kind of feel like we're bound up right now. Not getting any feedback at all right now. Nothing springy. Everything feels like it's bound up. Got to click out a 1, and we got an open. It seemed like it was a little bit on the easy side, but like I said, I didn't have any threads in it yet. So let's go ahead and gut this guy. See if I can push this clip off like this. There we go. That was a pretty hard clip to get off. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the key in and turn the lock like that. And let's take a good look at these pins. Pin 1 is a serrated. Pin 2 is a serrated, almost a spool. Pin 3 is a serrated. Pin 4 is a serrated. And pin 5 is a serrated. And like I said, I don't have any threads in the core yet. I'm actually thinking about counter milling maybe 1 or 2 of these. See if that'll make things a little bit more difficult for whoever I send it to. Okay. Pin 1 is a serrated. Pin 2 is like a Christmas tree pin. Pin 3 is a serrated. is a spool, kind of like a mushroom spool. And pin 5 is a serrated. And I haven't threaded anything up in the Bible yet either, so let's go ahead and take a good close look at these pins. We've got a serrated in 1, kind of a deep serration, almost spool-like, in 2. Above 2, it's kind of like a Christmas tree pin. 1 is another serrated. 2 is another serrated. 3 is a spool, homemade kind of mushroom spool. 4 is a serrated. 5 is a serrated. And 6 is a serrated with real sharp serrations. And the top pin on 6 is also a serrated. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, never pick any locks that aren't yours or locks that you don't own.